how to set wake duration on tap to wake for 15 seconds or 70 seconds on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen or on the home screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down, then tap on wake duration. From here, you have two options. You can select wake for 15 seconds or wake for 70 seconds. So select one of the options and then simply press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.